Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Word, where learning English is easy and fun.
Hello, hello, I'm Jack.
And I'm Sarah. We are so happy to see you today.
Yes, very happy. How are you, Sarah?
I am great, Jack, and I am excited. Today is a special lesson.
Oh, yes, very special. Today we will talk about Christmas.
Christmas was wonderful, but Jack, Christmas is finished now.
That's right. Christmas is in the past. So today we learn about the past.
The past tense. This is very important.
Yes! When we talk about yesterday or last week or last Christmas, we use past tense.
Exactly. So today's big question is, how was your Christmas?
Perfect question. We will answer this question together.
And you will learn many new words.
But first, dear friends, we have one small request.
Yes. Please click the subscribe button, the red button below.
And please click the like button, the thumbs up,
It helps us make more videos for you.
and share this video with your friends. Maybe they want to learn English too.
Thank you so much. Okay, let's start. Sarah's Christmas story.
Sarah, I am very curious. How was your Christmas?
Oh, Jack, my Christmas was beautiful. It was very nice.
That's wonderful. Tell me everything. Where were you?
I was at my family's house. I went to my parents' house.
Oh, you went. That is past tense. The verb go becomes went.
Yes, I went to my parents' house on December 24th.
December 24th is Christmas Eve. Did you drive?
Yes, I drove my car. It was a long drive, about 2 hours.
2 hours. That's far. Was there traffic?
Yes, there was a little traffic, but I listened to music, so I was happy.
Music is nice. What music did you listen to?
Christmas songs, Jingle Bells, Silent Night. I sang in the car.
Haha, that sounds fun. So you arrived at your parents' house? Who was there?
My mom was there, my dad was there, and my little brother, Tom.
A family Christmas. That's the best. What did you do first?
We talked. We talked and laughed for a long time.
Notice everyone, talk becomes talked. Laugh becomes laughed. We had Ed.
Yes, that's regular past tense, very easy.
Good. So you talked. Then what?
Then we cooked dinner together.
Oh, cooking. Christmas cooking. What did you cook?
My mom cooked a big turkey, a very big turkey.
Turkey. Classic Christmas food. Did you help?
Yes, I helped my mom. I washed the vegetables.
You washed vegetables. Good. What vegetables?
Carrots, potatoes, and green beans. I washed them all. And then my dad roasted the turkey in the oven. It smelled delicious.
Oh, I can imagine. The house smelled good.
Yes, the whole house smelled like Christmas.
Beautiful. So you cooked together. Then you ate dinner.
Yes, we ate dinner at 7 p.m. The table looked so pretty.
Wait, ate? That's not eated.
Haha, no. Eat becomes ate. This is irregular.
Irregular verbs are tricky. But we practice and learn.
Exactly. We ate turkey, vegetables, bread, and salad.
Wow, a big meal. Were you full?
Oh, yes, I was very full. My stomach was so big.
Mine too. Christmas food is always too much.
Apple pie. My mom made apple pie with ice cream.
Your mom made pie? Make becomes made. Another irregular verb.
Yes, she made it in the morning. It was warm and sweet.
Perfect. So you ate dinner, you ate dessert, then what?
Then we opened presents. I got a beautiful scarf, a red scarf. My mom gave it to me.
Give becomes gave. Another irregular one.
Yes, my mom gave me a scarf and I gave her a book.
A book. Nice. Did she like it?
She loved it. She smiled so big.
That's a wonderful feeling. So you gave gifts, you ate food, you talked.
Yes. And after that, we watched a Christmas movie together.
A movie. Which movie?
The Grinch? It's very funny. We laughed a lot.
I love that movie. The Grinch is green and grumpy.
Haha. Yes. We watched it and then we went to bed.
You went to bed. Perfect. So that was your Christmas.
Yes, it was a very happy day. Jack's Christmas story. Jack, now it's your turn. How was your Christmas?
Because I stayed home. I did not travel.
Oh, you stayed home. So, no family visit?
No family this year. My family lives very far away. So I stayed home alone.
Alone? Was it sad?
No, not sad. It was peaceful. I enjoyed the quiet time.
That's good. So, what did you do?
Well, I woke up late, very late, at 10 a.m.
10 a.m. Wow, you slept a lot.
Yes, I slept and slept. It was wonderful. I was very tired from work.
Sleep is good. Then what?
Then I made breakfast. I made something special.
What did you make?
Pancakes. Big, fluffy pancakes.
Mmm, pancakes with syrup.
Yes, I put lots of maple syrup on top.
Put is irregular too. Put stays put in the past.
Exactly. English is funny sometimes.
Haha. So you made pancakes. Then,
Confusing, right? But that's English.
haha. Okay, you drank coffee. You read the newspaper. Then,
Then I called my family on the phone.
oh, that's nice. You called them.
Yes, I called my mom and dad. We talked for 1 hour.
1 hour. That's a long talk.
Yes, I told them about my life. They told me about theirs.
Tell becomes told. Good.
And I said Merry Christmas to everyone.
Say becomes said. You said Merry Christmas. Sweet.
Yes. After the phone call, I felt very happy.
That's wonderful. Family is important, even on the phone.
Exactly. So then I relaxed on the sofa.
Relaxed. That sounds perfect.
I turned on the TV and I watched a Christmas movie.
Which movie?
Home Alone. The little boy with the funny traps.
I love that movie. Did you laugh?
Oh, yes. I laughed so much. Kevin is very clever.
Haha. And dinner. What did you eat?
I did not cook a big meal. I ordered pizza.
Pizza. For Christmas dinner?
Yes. Why not? Pizza is delicious.
Haha. That's true. What kind of pizza?
Pepperoni pizza. My favorite. I ate 3 slices.
3 slices. You were hungry.
Very hungry. And I drank soda too.
Perfect meal. Easy and tasty. That's so nice. Friends are special.
Yes. I wore it immediately.
Wear becomes wore. You wore your new hat.
Exactly. And then I went to bed early. I was tired and happy.
That sounds like a perfect, peaceful Christmas.
It was. Different from your Christmas, but both were good.
Yes, Christmas can be big and loud or small and quiet.
The important thing is to feel happy and grateful. Questions and practice. Now let's practice questions. In English, we ask, How was your Christmas? Or, What did you do?
Did you have fun?
Very good. Now we want you to practice.
In the comments below, answer this question.
What did you eat for Christmas dinner?
Write your answer in the comments. Use past tense.
For example, I ate chicken and rice.
Or, I ate pasta and salad.
We will read your comments. We love reading them.
And we will reply to you.
Let's learn some Christmas vocabulary with past tense.
These are useful words.
Decorate. I decorated my house.
Wrap. I wrapped the presents.
Sing. We sang Christmas songs.
Dance. They danced at the party.
Receive. I received a gift.
Spend. I spent time with family.
Travel. She traveled to another city.
Enjoy. We enjoyed the holiday.
Now let's make sentences together.
Wonderful. You are learning so much today. Okay, everyone. Let's do a quick recap.
Recap means we remember everything we learned.
Today we learned about past simple tense.
We use past tense to talk about finished actions.
We learned regular verbs. Add, ed, cook, cooked.
We learned irregular verbs. They change. Go, went.
We practiced was and were.
We learned Christmas vocabulary.
And we practiced questions with DID.
You did amazing today.
We are so proud of you.
Well, everyone, we are finished for today.
But before we go, please remember
Click the subscribe button, help our channel grow,
and click the like button, the thumbs up.
leave a comment. Tell us, what did you eat for Christmas?
Write your answer in English. We will read it.
Share this video with your friends who are learning English.
Thank you so much for watching today,
We hope you had a wonderful Christmas.
and we hope you learned a lot today.
Keep practicing. Every day, practice a little.
See you next time.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye-bye. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Happy learning.